Parents, on behalf of babysitters everywhere, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. We babysitters, we talk. And we've been known to say, oh, you don't want to babysit for the Nelsons. That's a nightmare of a job. Now, if you don't want to end up like the Nelsons, then listen carefully, because I'm going to tell you the 5 things your babysitter really wants you to know. Number 1, pay me. Like, with real money. Babysitting is a lot of work, and we have an agreement. I take care of your children for a specified period of time, and you pay me. Cash works, or even a bank transfer like Chase Pay. Heck, I'll even take a check. Do people really still use those? But if you come home and tell me I'm sorry that you don't have any money, you'll have to pay me later, then that sounds a lot like fraud. Pay your babysitter. Number 2, tell your kids that I'm in charge when I'm babysitting. When you're gone, I'm the substitute parent, and I take that responsibility seriously. But it's a lot harder to maintain control when you've got little kids screaming,
"You're not my mom."
Number 3, make sure there's food in the house. If I'm babysitting over a mealtime, I'm responsible for feeding your children. So please have food for me to feed them. Your mom left some pickles for lunch. And while you're at it, it would be really nice if you had something grown up for me to eat as well. I mean, I'm a big fan of Go-Go applesauce and goldfish, but they don't quite fill me up. Number 4, be home. On time. Believe me, I have things to do, even if I'm going to go home and sleep. Number 5, don't expect me to clean your house. Do I look like a maid? Seriously, a good babysitter picks up after herself and makes sure that messes made by the kids get cleaned up as well. But a babysitter's job is to take care of your kids, not do your dirty dishes. There you have it, the 5 things your babysitter wants you to know. It's not hard, so don't be that family.